Your local forecast with meteorologist Jackson Chastain starts now.
We start with a live look from Carlisle. This time the road's damp. Really can't see much rain falling, and that's because we are starting to see general clearing across the mid-state. Now, if you're in the eastern half of south central PA, you happen to be in Dauphin County, Lebanon County, Lancaster, York, you are still dealing a little bit with that steady shower activity, but really off to the west, that includes places such as Carlisle. We're not really seeing any rainfall at this point, and so that's kind of the good news about all of this is that in terms of the steady rain, we're done with that, and we got more than our fair share. In fact, Harrisburg, over the past 24 hours, has seen 2 inches of rain, 1 inch and 3/4 over the past day yesterday, and that actually was a record. Many other places receiving well over 3/4 of an inch. But as this low continues to make its way north and east, we will continue to stray further and further away from any potential rainfall. It is going to be breezy today on the backside because we're well within that wind field. There is also some limited potential this afternoon for shower activity as well. So we're not quite done totally with the rain. This is really going to be about noontime until about 4 p.m. when you see these showers push on through. Now, with the instability that we're going to see, with the moisture that we're going to see, there is opportunities for a storm or two to be a bit on the thundery side. So just, putting it out there, you could see a thunderstorm. A lot of this stuff will stay as showers, though. And obviously, we're not expecting much in the way of rainfall from all of that. Middletown sitting at 57 degrees right now. So the good news is that with the rain, with the clouds, there really was no opportunity for significant cooling. So we're starting off with a fairly nice base in the upper 50s. It is a bit breezy, as you can see, northwest at 10 miles per hour. So we're going to stay that way over the course of the afternoon and into the evening, although skies will generally begin to clear as we get through the next few hours. We're expecting a mix of sun and clouds that will ultimately help us get into the upper 60s this afternoon. So some good news on the temperature front. It should be relatively pleasant in the afternoon. It's going to be even nicer as we head into next week, and that's all as we see a significant pattern switch. Notice that warmer air just really making its way into parts of the mid-Atlantic, and it's going to stay there basically through the work week. Highs getting into the 80s by this coming Tuesday, mid-80s by Wednesday and Thursday, and we stay that way Friday as well despite a shower chance. So nice to see a return to the warmth. Probably the first real summer-like forecast that we've seen, and how fitting because meteorological summer begins tomorrow.
Oh yeah, you're right, it does. When's actual summer?
I think it's June 21st or 22nd.
Okay, all right, so not that far off.
Technically a month away, but
yeah.
Meteorological summer is
I can tell you're
right
really
around
excited
the corner.
about that.
Well,
Quite literally right
I'm a
the
winter
corner.
guy, but I do like some warm days once in a while. So
absolutely, and sometimes the thunderstorms are kind of cool.
Yeah,
so.
And 80 is not super warm.
Right.
If it was 90, I would be a little less excited, but 80 is nice. So.
All right, Jackson, thank you.